How's everyone doing? I just wanted to get in here. I learned a new tool, how you can get on Zoom and do a Facebook Live. You can do it in a group or you can do it on your homepage and then record it as well. So thanks for being my guinea pigs. I figure that's part of what our group is all about, right? Right? Anyway, while I was doing this is the third time I tried it. The second time I tried it, I'm sitting here talking to you guys and a Buds and Bloom pulls up and I'm like, oh my gosh, somebody sent me flowers. That's so exciting. And then the lady walks past with flowers because my office is right facing the driveway. Walks past with flowers, goes to the front door. I don't hear anything. She walks back. She looks at me holding this great bouquet and she's like, wrong address. Sorry. It's like, oh. Oh, that stinks. Not that I'm like a flower in a vase kind of person. Anyway, I'm much more of a flowers that you can plant in the ground kind of person. But anywho, I just wanted to hop on learning all the cool new tools. I am doing some expansion of my business, and you peeps are going to be some of the front line that's helping me out, like it or not, because that's what we do in this group, right? We encourage each other. We lift each other up. We give each other wings. I would sing, but I'm not a good singer. All right, thanks. I hope everybody's having a great day with all the good vibes. Good vibes today. To expand and grow and do some cool things that is going to tie in my career as an educator, my new career as a realtor, and my heart of helping people like you, like me, do all the great things. Crush all the goals. All right. Have a great day.